In this video, I will show you how to move the database in Palm Desktop 4. The common issue is when you are trying to sync to Palm Desktop 4 using Companion Link, you may get a library error in Palm. This is because Palm 4 is not compliant with modern operating systems. The database file is stored in a location Companion Link cannot access and needs to be relocated. Open the File Explorer folder icon and navigate to the C drive. Create a new folder called Palm or similar. Open Palm Desktop and go to Tools. Then click Options. Click Browse. Navigate to the newly created folder and click OK. Click OK and close Palm Desktop and reopen it. If Palm Desktop has no data, you may get similar errors. To fix them, just create a new record of that type and try the sync again. You can then delete the new unneeded record. If you would like to replace Palm Desktop with a modern CRM, you can use our Deja Office PC product. Deja Office PC offers many features that Palm does not, such as many more fields, no category limits, color categories, and others. We have a migration guide as well as a video. Links are in the description.